dive into 5 incredible assets that bring a new wave of realism to water in your games. From the simplicity of 2D to the complexity of hyper-realistic simulations, we've got you covered. Don't miss the giveaway and let's make a splash in your next project. Let's start with URP Water, a flexible 3D water shader designed for high performance and easy customization. It fits smoothly into any project and works well with both realistic and stylized game art. It offers a wide range of features, including specular highlights, refraction controls for depth, distortion effects, and environment reflection. Additionally, the shader offers intricate foam detailing, adjustable normal maps for surface texture, and displacement settings for dynamic water movement. Tessellation capabilities ensure detailed and realistic water surfaces, while vertex painting allows for direct customization on the water. This wide range of parameters enables you to integrate a high-quality water shader into your game, significantly elevating the visual experience. But what if you wanna take your water to the next level with physics simulation? That's where Dynamic Water Physics 2 sails in. This asset is a powerhouse, letting your in-game objects float, bob, and interact with water in realistic ways. It's fully compatible with water shaders like URP Water, so you can pair them for even more dynamic experience. Dynamic Water Physics 2 brings shape-correct behavior to both surface and underwater interactions, and responding to waves in a lifelike manner. It includes a handy ship controller for creating navigatable vessels, streamlining your game development. Plus, it's quick to set up, making it accessible for projects of all sizes. Prefer the charm of 2D games? Game 2D Water Kit is a perfect choice for crafting dynamic water in your scenes. It's not only user-friendly, but also versatile, allowing you to effortlessly shape your water bodies and waterfalls. This kit excels in physics simulations, enabling your water to behave realistically with splashes and waves. With optimized refraction and reflection effects, your water scenes gain depth and movement, enhancing the overall visual appeal. Moreover, the kit features an endlessly tiling system, ensuring your water seamlessly extends across any scene size. It includes a comprehensive set of lit shaders, catering to different artistic needs, and a robust waterfall system for added environment dynamics. Whether it's a serene pond or a lively river, Game 2D Water Kit brings your environments to life with ease and sophistication. Looking for more than just object physics? Want actual fluid simulation? Obi Fluids is your answer. This advanced tool leverages particle-based physics to simulate a broad spectrum of deformable material behaviors, bringing a new level of realism to your game's fluid dynamics. Obi Fluids is adept at creating lifelike, interactive fluid behaviors. It allows fluids to impact and be impacted by rigid bodies, enabling objects to float, sink, or even stick to surfaces. This makes it ideal for small-scale fluid simulations, adding authentic dripping and splash effects that can elevate fluid game mechanics. However, bear in mind that Obi Fluids is heavily reliant on CPU power. This makes it best suited for smaller simulations and not for vast fluid environments like pools or rivers. And here's the deal you've been waiting for! We are giving away vouchers for the amazing Zibra Liquids and Game 2D Water Kit. Just hit subscribe, drop a comment saying "Water in Unity" and help us reach 2500 subscribers. When we hit that wave, the giveaway goes live. Don't miss this opportunity to upgrade your game's water. Speaking of Zibra Liquids, prepare to be amazed. This extension elevates water simulation to the next level, offering real-time 3D liquid simulations that both realistic and interactive. With a custom physics simulation powered by AI technology, Zibra Liquids enables you to create liquid physics that truly reflect the complexities of real-world fluid behavior. It stands out with AI-accelerated interactions with both static and skinned meshes, allowing for a seamless integration of liquid physics in various gaming scenarios. The tool is designed for ease of use, making the process of working with liquid fast and straightforward. Moreover, Zibra Liquids offers a wide range of physical and visual parameters, giving you complete control to tailor the liquid's appearance and behavior to fit your game's specific needs. This level of customization and realism sets Zibra Liquids apart as a premier choice for developers seeking to infuse their games with lifelike water and fluid effects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out Top 10 Assets compilations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep an eye out, there is a hidden voucher for the Game to the Water kit.